Hi everyone, my name is Hakan and this is my implementation of Project Network. So starting with the index page, at the top of the page I can create a new post, but to do so I need to log in first. So now that I'm logged in, I'm gonna fill in some text and submit it by clicking on this button. Okay, now I see that my post is here. So on this page I can see every post. I can also reach this page by clicking on this link in the navigation bar. So yeah, and I can also see some details about each post here, such as avatar, username, and post timestamp, content, number of replies, likes, and views. So if I click on any user's avatar or username, the profile page of that user will be loaded. And on the profile page, I can see the number of posts, followers, and the number of people this user follows. And I can see all posts created by the user, Croc in this case. I can also follow a user, let's say admin, or unfollow the user by clicking on this button. So that's the profile page. So we also have following link in the navigation bar. If I click on this link, this will take me to a page where I can see all posts created by the users I follow. Of course, if I weren't signed in, this link would direct me to the login page. On any page that consists of more than 10 posts, pagination buttons will be shown at the bottom of the page, and I can navigate between pages clicking on those buttons. And also, if a user has more than 10 posts, I can also see pagination buttons here. Next up, users can also edit their posts. So let's go back to the home page. If I click on this button here and click on edit, this is where JavaScript really comes into play in terms of UI and UX. I can change its content. I click on save, and that's it. Of course, both JavaScript and Django check if the user is the actual owner of the posts, so that no one can change other users' posts. Users can also like or unlike any post. They have to be logged in. So on the right side here, I'm not logged in. If I try to like a post, I will see this prompt, and if I click on login page, this will take me to the login page. But on the left side, I'm logged in. So let's try to like a post here. So I can like, unlike any posts. Lastly, I've added some other extra features to my version of this project, and one of them is deleting a post. And this is where I utilize both JavaScript and CSS animation to make the delete action very smooth and satisfying to watch. So let's click on this button and click delete. And yeah, I also added bio section to the user's profiles, and this can be modified by clicking on this button here, and I can change content and save it. So another feature that I've added is light dark mode. In the navigation bar, I have an option to switch between light and dark modes, and this is saved in local storage, and whenever I open the application, browser remembers my setting and loads the application accordingly. So if I refresh the page, for example, nothing changes. And last but not least, I added reply feature, and if I go click on this button here, I can reply. And if I'm the owner of the reply, I can of course delete the reply. So that's it. That's my project, and I look forward to making some improvements to it in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching.